Okay, hi. Today I will share with you how to do a simple bouncing ball, yeah. It's gonna be up and down bouncing ball only. So you can see here, this is the interface of the Adobe Animate. I use Adobe Animate 2021. First, you need to create the layer here. Click the layer. Have many size here. You can choose HD 1280 and 720. Then make sure the frame you change to 24 per second, yeah. Then you click create here. So this is the interface inside the Adobe Animate. You can zoom out to double check your screen size. How to zoom out is control minus in your keyboard. Okay, so here I will do a simple line here. What should I do is I click the line here. So you can choose any color you want here for your line. The stroke line I put 6 here. What should you do is click here, click shift in your keyboard and drag. Okay, done. So you can arrange the line. Just select all the line. Maybe you want to bring a bit down here. Shift, change the position. Okay. So if you think this line is too thin, you can adjust the line. Okay. Like this. I want to use only like this size. Okay. So this layer, you need to key because I don't want to use this layer. This layer is only the line, the ground line. So I change the layer name. I just double click here. I change to ground line. Okay. Then you enter. Click OK here. Then what should you do is you click new layer. See here, symbol of plus here. You click this layer. I want to create a ball. So double click, put here ball. Okay, done. Then I create a ball. Choose the oval tools. And then make sure you click shift. Then move your mouse. Then create your balls here. Your balls here, you can change the color. Click selection tool, select all. You go to properties here. The color and style, you can choose any color you want. Maybe you want green. The outline, maybe you want blue, gray. It's up to you. So yes, this is the color. So this color, if you just this ball, if you click and drag, the object, the line and the fill here will be separate. So you control Z, you select all, right click and convert to symbol. So you can name it. Maybe I put ball here. Click OK. So you can go to the library. However symbol you create will be in your library. Okay. So yes, I want to move from here to down here and go back to up here. Okay. So I will do in also I zoom out a bit. Okay, just to double check. So now what should you do is you go to, I want this movement will be in 30 seconds. So I click and drag here into layer for 30 seconds. Right click and insert frame. So you can see here, this is your frame when you do a movement. Okay, so now you want to give a movement. So what should you do is from here, right, downstairs and go back. What should you do is you need to have a in between. Okay, so what should you do is first adjust first the position here. We go to 10 seconds here, right click. I already put a motion twin. You can I remove first. You click here 10 seconds and you need to click a right click. You need to click create motion twin. Then I want to have a in between here. In 50 seconds it will be downstairs here, so I just click. Make sure you click shift on your keyboard and bring to downstairs. Okay, so you can see the movement like this. Okay, and going back to the first position in 30 seconds. You click the 30 seconds, then bring back to the first point. Okay, so we will see the movement like this. Okay, then you need to click here in 50 seconds because we want to have a squash and stretch. So but we need to have the ball position in between must be the real circle. So what should you do is in 15 here, the first diamond dot here, right click, go to insert keyframe, then you click all. Same like in 30 seconds, right click, also you choose all. Okay, thing happen here, but I want to have a squash and stretch here, right? Squash and stretch. So what should you do? Maybe I go to in 30 frame here. I adjust, watch here, give exaggeration here. So you can see the ball movement is like this. Okay, but in here also I need to give a squash here. So I give some exaggeration here. So you can see here like this, the movement. Maybe I want to adjust a bit here. Want to adjust because this is like rubber ball, right? Want to adjust a bit here. So you can see the movement is like, so you see again. Okay, now already finished to give a simple bouncing ball movement, right? So how to render? First, you need to go to File, Export. You can go to Export Video/Media. Then here, make sure the size is the right size you choose. So I want to save by entire movie, or you want to choose any scene. If you have a lot of scene, then you make sure where you want to put the video. I put at the desktop. You're supposed to have your own folder lah. Then you click here export. Wait a while. So the Adobe Media Encoder will be appear here. This is the project that we already create before. Then what should you do? The status must be ready. Then you play this one, start queue. Okay, this one. Then you just click. Now they render. Okay, finish render. Minimize. So this one you click OK. Then the system just let you know the render is successfully created. Yeah. Then you click OK. You go to the folder that where you want to save the video. Like me, I save inside my desktop. So just click. Yes, this is the movement. Okay, thank you.